Larsen, weather rate certified 11 years in a row.
All right, welcome back. Okay, Nate, at this time last week, I turned my air conditioning on for the first time. Today, I turn it off because it's a little, it's a little cold. It's a little cloudy, and I wonder whose fault that is.
Right, well, it's always my fault.
I know.
You can always blame me.
Thank you for saying it.
But yeah, we're still seeing a lot of that spring, you know, ups and downs, the typical patterns we often see. We're dealing with the cooler weather today. Some showers out there. There is another warm up where you might need your AC though in the forecast. We're going to show you what we're expecting to see. Hey, look at some of the sunshine in southern Utah. Gorgeous Sunday afternoon in St. George from the Southern Utah University Camera Network. We're looking at Moab as well. We've got a few clouds hanging around there. Some winds as well, blustery winds, mainly on the western part of the state. You can see a little bit of wind on the Colorado River there. And we're looking at temperatures generally 5 degrees, maybe some areas 10 degrees cooler than normal, with some of the showers that are dropping temperatures. Bit of a northwest flow across northern Utah. Look, check out some of these photos. Scott Taylor out in the West Desert capturing some wild horses. This was actually sent in late last night, so on Saturday. But boy, great photos, Scott. Thanks for sharing those. Headlines continue to call for quieting weather into the late evening hours, so we have a few showers out there. Generally, we'll see moisture depart tonight, but another swing or another surge of moisture moves in on Monday, so plan on more showers, possibly some thunderstorms. Temperatures a bit up and down. In fact, we actually warm up some tomorrow ahead of the week trough that's going to be moving through with another surge of moisture on Wednesday. So flood alerts, areas in Uinta County, the flood advisory has since expired there, but we're still watching flood warnings for the Dolores River in the eastern part of the state, the Sevier River near Hatch, some minor flood impacts there. The Ogden River, this is the lower the South Fork of the Ogden River near Huntsville, seeing some minor flooding. And then the flood advisories or flood watches in effect still for Cache Valley and the lower Weber River for portions of Box Elder County, even portions of Davis and Weber counties as well included in that. So we've had a chance of some showers today. Tomorrow the threat continues, mainly the northern tier of the state, looking at a risk for more thunderstorms out there. Let's put Futurecast into motion for you. Again, trying to mimic what we're seeing out there on radar. Still some scattered showers out there this evening. We're expecting, though, clearing skies overnight. There is a small chance, mainly north of us, of another shot at seeing more of the northern lights tonight. The general forecast last time had them just north of us at the last minute. One of the 30-minute forecasts ended up pushing it further south. So there's not a guarantee by any means, but last time we happened to see them as the forecast for the Aurora Borealis came in a little stronger than anticipated. Chance of moisture, this is 11 o'clock tomorrow, starts to increase mainly by tomorrow afternoon. High-resolution models showing a nice slug of moisture tomorrow, late afternoon and evening. Could see some thunderstorms out there, mainly showers expected. It's not a significant trough that's going to produce a lot of instability out there, so thunderstorms aren't a huge risk tomorrow. And then even some partly cloudy skies hanging out on Tuesday with yet more active weather carrying over into midweek. Let's show you the forecast then for tonight's aurora. Again, generally moving through portions of central Idaho and central Wyoming, so it's not likely that we're going to be seeing them, but there's a slim chance. Again, the forecast could strengthen some as we get closer towards it, and you might see a glimpse of them across the northern tier of the state late this evening, away from some of the city lights. Chance of moisture, best chance will be on Wednesday. St. George forecast, plan on some breezy winds. We're dry down south with the exception of Wednesday. Have a slight chance of some rain. 80s expected tomorrow and on Tuesday. 76 on Wednesday, back in the 80s Thursday, Friday. 90s in the forecast next weekend with sunny skies. A bit breezy out there. The Wasatch Front, plan on some scattered showers. 71, 70 on Tuesday, 67 on Wednesday. Temperatures, again, slightly cooler due to some of the showers moving through. Rebounding into the weekend, mostly sunshine. There's that 81 next Sunday, Sarah. Might need to throw the AC on for that one.